Hey, Melody Makers, it's Black History Month, and we're celebrating some amazing Black musicians. Today, we're talking about Quincy Jones, a real musical magician. Quincy Jones has done it all. He's a composer, which means he writes music. He's a producer, which means he helps other artists make their music sound awesome. He's a conductor, which means he leads a whole orchestra, and he even plays instruments himself. Quincy was born in Chicago and he grew up loving music. He listened to jazz, which is a super cool style of music with lots of improvisation. He learned to play the trumpet and he was really good. Quincy has worked with so many famous singers like Michael Jackson. He produced some of Michael's biggest hits like Thriller and Billie Jean. He also wrote the music for movies and TV shows. Listen to this. Can you hear how exciting and fun it is? He uses lots of different instruments and cool rhythms. Quincy Jones is a legend. He's won tons of awards and he's inspired so many musicians. He's shown the world that music can bring people together and make the world a better place. He even uses his music to help people in need. Want to hear more about Quincy's amazing music? Ask your parents to help you find his songs online. You can even look up videos of him conducting an orchestra. And maybe one day, you'll be a musical magician like Quincy Jones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more musical fun.